Do you feel comfortable with your service advisor? Do you understand your repair? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. It's important to make sure your service center maintains a standard of service that you, the customer, is comfortable with. Service centers, they invest heavily in training and diagnostic equipment to better service your vehicles. Has the service advisor educated you on your repair? Has the service advisor informed you of any maintenances the manufacturer recommends for the miles on your vehicle? Has the service advisor helped prioritize the repairs and developed a plan if needed? So having your vehicle perform efficient keeps operating costs down and maintains good fuel economy. So ask questions. Make sure you understand what is needed for your vehicle or what repairs are being done on your vehicle. Now, if the terminology is hard to understand, have that service advisor explain it further and use pictures even if they need to help you. 80% of vehicles on the road need some sort of service, so keep your vehicle running smoothly. Like us on Facebook and share the information with others, as everyone needs to be comfortable when dealing with their service advisor. Thank you for watching.